After the installation of our statement chandelier in the flagship store of American Girl in New York City, we expanded internationally with them, building several new locations throughout the Middle East.
Super excited about how our products look and how they enhance the client's space.
Every store needs that wow factor, driving the consumers into the store. At the American Girl stores in the Middle East, our stunning chandeliers are prominently the focal point.
It's very, very promising seeing what we're doing over here and the reaction our clients have. You know, makes it all worth it.
The next time you're in the Middle East, swing by the American Girl store in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or Bahrain to see how Ideoli can inspire creativity and light up your retail spaces.